Day 1, Week 3, DNF. Hi guys, jaywalking here. And andito ulit tayo sa Greenway for our Day 1 of Week 3 of our ultramarathon training. So Week 3 na tayo. And because of some personal matter, ngayon lang ulit ako makakatakbo for this Week 3. And ang gagawin ko for tonight is 100 by 10. So uphill na 100 meters and then jog pababa ulit, and 10 times ko siyang gagawin. And kakayanin ko ba? Hindi ko alam, since na antok ako, pagod from work. It's already 11:30 and I don't know if kayanin ko, kung matatapos ko tong trip ko sa buhay. So ang goal ko dito is fast pace with high elevation. Training ko na rin to for high LF pagdating sa ultramarathon. Tok na ako. Tapusin ko na to. Bye.
Go. Sige, sige.
So yun na nga guys, DNF for this event. Ayoko na. So 200 pala yung na-measure kong distance, and ang pace ko umabot ng 3:30. Mamamatay na ako. Sumuka pa ako. So I will call it a day. Wrong training. Ito ang problema kapag baliw ka, wala kang sinusunod na program, and galing sa pahinga, intense workout agad yung ginawa mo. DNF for today. Though may nagawa naman ako, pero wala pang 5 minutes yun. That's why I hate short distance, and I love ultramarathon, which is long distance. Kasi yung mga ganito na short distance, you will run an uncomfortable pace within short period of time. And long distance, you will run comfortable pace in a long distance. So DNF Day 1, Week 3, DNF. Ayoko na, gusto ko na matulog. Siguro puyat din ako. And that's it. Bye.